Hi dear students, today we are studying about the 25th lesson, that is complementary angles. And what are complementary angles? Complementary, that is, if two acute angles are said to be complementary, the sum of that two acute angles is equal to 90 degrees. That are called complementary, that is equal to 30 and 60 are two acute angles. And the sum is equal to 30 plus 60 is equal to 90 degree. That is, this is called, that is the sum of these two acute angles. If 30 degree and 60 degree are said to be complementary, if the sum of these two is equal to, should be 90 degree. The sum of these two acute angles should be 90 degree, are called complementary angles. That is equal to 70 degree and 60, 70 and 20 and 80 and 10, etc, etc. And of course, that is, if x degree and 90 minus that, sorry, yes, x degree and 90 minus x degree, and what is it, sum of this is equal to x plus 90 minus x is equal to, cancelling this 2, that is 90 degree. Okay, this is a complementary angles. And after that, here the concept of this lesson is equal to, concept of this lesson is concept of trigonometrical ratio of complementary angle. Concept of trigonometry, that is the concept, that is complementary concept of trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. And here is a triangle there, that is relating this trigonometric ratios and complementary angles. That is, here is a triangle with B as 90 degree and C is equal to 9 theta, and from this we can say that, what is it, that is, this IA is equal to 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Triangle ABC is equal, ABC, and angle B is equal to 90 degree. Here it is 90 degree, and ACB is equal, this is equal to theta, and what is it, the third angle is equal to 90 minus theta is the third angle, 90 minus theta is A, and CAB is equal to 90 minus theta. From this, how can we find the trigonometric ratio of complementary angle? What is it, take the triangle ACB, that is, from this, that is, first of all, the theta, that is equal to opposite side angle ACB. This is the theta, angle theta, and here it is, this is the perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, perpendicular and hypotenuse, that is sin theta is equal to, sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is equal to AB by CB. AB by CB, that is equal to, that is equation number 1. And next is 90 minus theta, that is equal to, here it is cos theta, that is, this is base by, that is, this is the base by hypotenuse, that is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to, what is it, that is CB, cos 90 minus theta is equal to cos angle CAB. Cos angle, this is angle CAB is equal, that is sin theta is equal, that is angle ACB. And then second is equal to CAB, angle CAB. CAB is equal to base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse is equal to AB by AC. AB by AC, this is equation number 2. From this two equation, from 1 and 2, that is, what is equal to, sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, or what is it, is equal to cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. From 1 and 2 we can say that sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, and here it is AB by B is AB by CB by AB by AC, sorry, this is hypotenuse, AC. AB by AC, and here again AB by AC, cancelling this we get, what is it, sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, or cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, and cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. That is, you should study here. These two concepts. Okay. With this concept, these are the 6 trigonometric, that is complementary angles for the trigonometric ratios. First one, it is cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. And second one, sine, the complementary angle for sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. And third one, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. And fourth one, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. And fifth one, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. And cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. These are the trigonometrical ratios for the complementary angles. Next exercise question, that is question number 1. Cos 22 by sin 16. Cos 22 by sin 16. How can we write this in the complementary form, that is 90 minus theta form? That is, what is it? 22 is equal to, how is it 90 minus 68 is equal to 22. That is cos 90 minus 68 divided by sin 16. And what is cos 90 minus 68? That is equal to sin 16. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos 90 minus 68 means sin 68. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. That is cos 90 minus 68 is equal to sin 68. That by sin 68, cancelling this by is equal to 1. Sin 68 by sin 68 is equal to 1. And then next is equal to, evaluate sin square 35 degree minus cos square 55 degree. Sin square 35 degree minus cos square 55 degree. That is equal to sin square. That is changing 1. That is anyone that is you can change. That is, if it is sin square 35 degree minus, that is cos 90, cos square 90 minus 35 is 55. Cos square, that is 55 is equal to 90 minus 35 degree. That is, how is it? That is sin square 35 degree minus, that is cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. That is sin square 35. Sin square 35, that is sin square 35 minus sin square 30, sin square 35 minus sin square 35 is equal to 0. Okay. And then the third question is, show that tan 10, tan 15 into tan 75 into tan 80 is equal to 1. Tan 10 into tan 15 into tan 75 into tan 80. Okay, tan 75, that is, we can change, that is tan 10. Tan 10 is equal to tan 90 minus 80. Is it? Tan 90 minus 80 is, 90 minus 80 is equal to 10. And tan 15 is equal to tan 90 minus 75 is 15. Tan 90 minus 75 is equal to 15. And then no change in 75 and tan 80. This is LHS. LHS is equal to this. And then what is tan 90 minus theta? Is cot theta. That is cot 80. And tan 90 minus 75 is tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot 75. Cot theta. And then tan 75 and then tan 80 is equal to, and grouping this, we get that is cot 80 into tan 80 and cot 75 into tan 75 is equal to, cot into tan is equal to 1, and that is equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1. That is RHS. Okay, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. That is substituting the values, that is 90 in the form of 90 minus theta. That is 90 minus theta is equal to, that is splitting this, 90 minus 80 is equal to 10. And then what is it? 90 minus 75 is equal to 15. And no change in the rest of, that is equal to cot, that is tan 90 minus 80 is equal to cot 80. And tan 90 minus theta is equal to, again, cot 75 and then tan 75 and tan 80. Grouping this, cot 80 and tan 80 and cot 75 tan 80, that is tan 75, that is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. For triangle ABC, show that sin A plus B by 2 is equal to cos C by 2. Sin A plus B by 2 is equal to cos C by 2. And we know that what is that is angle sum property of a triangle. We know that for a triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, angle A plus, that is angle sum property, that is the sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degree. And if we divide by 2, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. That is angle A plus angle B by 2. That is, we need C by 2. So taking C to the right side, that is equal to 90 minus angle C by 2. Angle C by 2. And then using sine property, that is sine into A plus B by 2 is equal to, we need the sine A plus B by 2. That is sine A plus B by 2 is equal to sine, applying sine, that is sine 90 minus C by 2. What is sine 90 minus C by 2 is equal to cos C by 2. That is the answer. Sine 90 minus C by 2 is equal to cos C by 2. Next question, evaluate 2 tan 57 degree by cot 33 degree and cot 70 degree by cot tan 20 degree minus root 2 cos 45. Cos root 2 cos 45. And what is it? Changing this in, that is tan 90 minus 33 is 57. Tan 90 minus 33 is 57 by cot 33 minus cot 90 minus what is it? 90 minus 70 is equal to 90 minus 70 is equal to 20. Sorry, 90 minus 20 is equal to 70 by tan 20. Okay, and then what is it? Root 2 into what is cos 45 degrees? 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, cancelling this root 2. And what is, we get 2 tan 90 minus 33, sorry, 90 minus 33 is equal to cot 33. 90 minus theta, that is cot 33 by cot 33 minus cot 90, that is tan 20 by tan 20 minus 1. Cancelling this 2, there was just 1. Okay. And what is it? 2 into, cancelling this, we get 2 into 1 minus this also 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next lesson.